up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. How you guys doing today? We have front camber kits with spherical bushings from Ktuned. We're gonna be putting these in, and we also have our LCAs from Ktuned. These have hardened bushings in them, so we're gonna be running these. And we also have Moog outer tie rods. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get ready to put all this stuff on and hopefully put our knuckles on as well. And we'll get started, guys. All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and install our left side upper control arm first. We got the Ktuned camber kits. Give you guys a better look. And it's got the spherical bushings. So just follow me this way, and we're gonna go ahead and put these in. So it just requires 2 bolts right here and on the other side. So we're just gonna pull these out, and we're gonna come down here and line this up just like that, and I'm gonna run the bolts through. I'm just gonna let that drop right there. 14 socket to tighten this up. All right, so we got our left side in. So now what we're gonna do is go ahead and put our lower control arm on as well. So here we have our left side lower control arm. We're gonna go ahead and put this one in as well. So if you come down here, there's just bolts that hold it in. So it's 2 bolts and 1 nut. So this is a 17. So I'm just gonna swap that out, tighten these down. And our knuckle. So we got that one off. Oh wait, let me get this guy. I believe this is the left side. And there should be some hardware in here. Put the nut on. Just bend these on. All right, so all that is on. Let me grab a 17. All right, all that is nice and tight. So now what we're gonna do is put our knuckle on. So in here and in here. Alright guys, so that's it pretty much for this side. So we got our upper control arms put in. We have our outer tie rods put in. We got our knuckles put in. And we have our lower control arms put in. So now I'm gonna work my way to the other side. Just put that on real quick. Yeah, we'll get right to it. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and start with the lower control arm first. So we're gonna go ahead and slide this in and up. Oops. Yeah, this one wants to be a bitch, huh? Might need the fucking jack for this one. I wonder why this one's so hard and the other one's so soft. Why? There's no suspension. All right. Gonna put our outer tie rods on. And now what we're gonna put in is our upper control arms. So again, you just go right in here. All right, so that's pretty much it, and the knuckle, and that's it. For the brakes. All right guys, we are done. We got our lower control arms, upper control arms, outer tie rods put in. So now that's left is axles, suspension, and brakes and rotors and brake pads. Then we can go ahead and put our tires back on. So yeah guys, appreciate all you guys for watching. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe. The next video, I don't know what I'm gonna be doing. Stay tuned and watch.